In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make text appear one by one in CapCut, step by step, so you can create clean, professional-looking captions, title effects, and social media edits that instantly grab attention. This is one of the easiest ways to make your videos feel more dynamic, and it works great for tutorials, reels, shorts, and promo videos. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips. Now let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and load the project you want to edit. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top left menu and click Text. This is where you'll start creating your animated text. From there, drag default text into your timeline. This adds a basic text layer that you can customize however you want. Next, type your phrase in the upper right text panel. This is where you enter the words you want to appear on screen one by one. You can type a short phrase, a title, or even a longer sentence depending on the style you want. After that, take a moment to adjust the font, size, and styling so the text matches the look of your video. You can make it bold, clean, playful, or minimal depending on your content. Once your text is set, click the text track on the timeline to make sure it's selected. This is important because the animation settings only apply to the layer you're currently working on. After selecting it, go to the upper right panel and click the Animation tab. Inside the animation settings, make sure you are under the In category. This category controls how the text enters the screen, which is exactly what we need for the one-by-one effect. Now choose your animation effect. If you want letter-by-letter movement, click Typewriter. This gives you that classic typing effect where each character appears one at a time. If you want an effect that includes a blinking line while the text is building, choose Typing Cursor. And if you want something a little snappier and more energetic, especially for word-by-word text reveals, click Bounce Left. These three options are the most useful for creating that one-by-one appearance in CapCut. After choosing the animation, the next step is timing, and this part is crucial if you want precision. Look at the bottom of the animation panel for the duration slider. This controls how fast or slow the text appears. If you drag the slider to the right, the animation will slow down, which gives each letter or word more time to appear. If you drag it to the left, the animation speeds up, which creates a quicker reveal. Adjust this carefully until it matches the pace of your video. If your text appears too fast, it can be hard to read. If it's too slow, the edit may feel delayed. So test it a few times and find the right balance. A good rule is to keep it fast enough to feel smooth, but slow enough that viewers can clearly follow the words as they appear. If needed, play back the clip and fine-tune the duration until it looks perfect. You can also combine this effect with other text styling choices to make it even better. For example, using a bold font, a bright color, or a subtle shadow can make the text stand out more while it's animating. That can make your video look much more polished without adding any extra complexity. And that's it. Now you know how to make text appear one by one in CapCut using the Text tool, the Animation tab, and the Duration slider. It's a simple technique, but it can make a huge difference in the quality of your edits. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.